Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this gorgeous look on my beautiful model. So if this is something you'll be interested in, watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to your loved ones. So the first thing I did was to use my micellar water and my wipes to cleanse any dirt that might be on her face. You guys can see she came in with a lip combo, so I had to clean that off. Then I went in to apply my hydrating spray. I applied that all over her face and I used my fan to dry that in, while also using my hands to massage that in. Then after that, I'm going to be applying my moisturizer from Blossom Cosmetic. I'm going to be hydrating her lips. I also use an hydrating primer after my moisturizer. I apply that all over her face. Then I'm just applying my Rimmel mattifying primer on her T-zone only. Remember, we applied the hydrating primer all over her face except the T-zone. So after that, I'm just going to be applying my foundation. For our foundation shade, I mixed two shades, Avour in shade 20 and I mixed Maybelline Superstay in shade 355. Yes. Then after that, I'm just going to be using my spray, and the next thing I did was to bronze. I bronze for my light skin, so I'm going to be applying that on under our cheekbones, our forehead. The next, I'm going to be applying my blush. I mixed a shade of pink and orange, but more of the pink because I wanted to achieve a pink look. So after that, I'm going to be applying my concealer, and this one is from V Beauty. I mixed V Beauty and Nuban in the shade 46.5 if I'm being correct, and I just use my beauty blender to just blend that in. You guys, I'm actually not sure if this mixing of concealer that I did is legal, because the V Beauty is not full coverage, let's say medium to light coverage, and Nuban concealer is full coverage, and I mixed that together and I got this perfect shade and coverage, and I really like it so much. So after that, I'm going to be using my setting powder to set. I first use my brush. This is the first time using this technique and it's nice, but I'm not used to it. But after that, I just went in to use my beauty puff. That is what I'm used to. So I use that to blend the under eye. Yes, exactly. And the setting powder I use is Nuban Beauty in the shade Alabaster. I actually really like this setting powder. It just blurs the under eye, as you guys can see in this video. So I'm actually using my beauty puff to set the concealer. I'm going to be setting the parts that I use my concealer. That's the forehead, the under eye, under our nose, our chin, and I'm just going to be blending that seamlessly. You get no harsh line in makeup. So after that, I am going to be applying my powder shade to I'm just going to be applying that over the parts that I use the setting powder. That's the technique that I am used to and works for me. You can do whatever works for you. So after that, I'm going to be using a powder shade all over her face, and I use Sweet Honey. I think I mixed Sweet Honey and one other shade, and I actually can't remember. Then I'm going to be applying a powder shade every part of her face, every part that I apply the cream product, everywhere. Then after that, I'm going to be applying a contour shade, and I use a shade two shade darker than our actual powder shade to apply to do a contour. Then I'm going to be applying a blush. I use more of the pink from CPD to apply a blush. Then after that, I'm going to be baking our under eyes to catch any fallouts when I'm doing our eyeshadow. Then I also did a nose contour off camera. I'm so sorry. So right now I'm actually applying an eyeshadow primer from Viange. So I'm going to be applying that. I'm going to blend that in. Then I'm going to be using my Annie's Beauty Meets the Brown to do a transition shade first. I'm going for a soft pink look. It's going to have glitters, but you have to apply your transition first. So I did that. I made her very, very soft, and this is me just, okay, I had to zoom that in for you guys to see properly. You're welcome. Anyways, I was just using a fluffy brush to make that easy for me to blend. Like I said, there are no harsh lines in makeup. I'm always saying this in all my videos. So you have to blend properly. You have to have like about 2 to 3 brushes, eye brushes, to be blending. You use one to apply, use another one to blend. Anyway, that is what I am actually doing. It's pretty much self-explanatory. But after that, I am going to be, okay, I applied a darker brown to create depth. I apply, so everything is just not soft. There has to be like a little bit of depth. So that is what I'm just trying to achieve here. And after that, I am going to be applying my glitters. So I applied a pink, I'm very sure I mixed 2 shades, but like more of that pink glitters. And after that, I'm going to be applying an eyeliner, and I'm going to be smoking her under eyes, apply lashes, and that's pretty much it for the eyes. Honestly, nothing much. We are going to be seeing how these eyes look in a few seconds. I had to show you guys up close. Like, this is so nice. The skin work, it's so nice. Anyways, I did my lips. I didn't record the entire process. I'm so sorry. I lost some clips. But I already did the eyeliner. I did smudge the under eyes also. And I wanted to go for a really dark pink before for the lips, but I just decided to change my mind, like, nah. And I decided to add like a light nude. Then after that, I'm just going to be blending that, and I did not record the entire brow process. Again, I'm so sorry. But if you need me to record a detailed brow tutorial, please do let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to do that. Anyways, I just use my pencil from Davis to just fill that in. I also use a darker brown to like outline our brows. Then I use this one to like fill it in. Then conceal with my V Beauty concealer in the shade 02. I think I mixed it again with that Nuban concealer. And we are done. If you watch up to this point, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Please do not forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And look at my model. I had to record this in low lighting. There was no lights. I had to record that for you guys to see, and my model looks so stunning. What do you guys think of this look? What do you guys think? We have come to the end of this video, guys. Please, if you'd like me to do more of this look, please do let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want me to create. And that will be all for today. I hope I see you guys in my next video. But before that, stay blessed, stay beautiful, guys. And I am going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.